Hey there, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to learn about the magical water cycle that gives us rain, snow, and clouds. You know, without water, life on Earth would be pretty boring. So let's dive in and see how the water cycle works. First, we need a heat source, and what could be better than our giant cartoon sun? Here it is, giving off lots of heat energy. Now let's add some water. There's a big lake here, and the sun is really hot today. So let's see what happens when it shines its light on the lake. Whoa! The heat from the sun causes the water to change states from a liquid to a gas called water vapor. This process is called evaporation. Have you ever seen water disappear after a heavy rain? That's because the sun was shining and the water evaporated. Next, let's follow the water vapor as it journeys up into the sky. As it rises higher and higher, the air grows colder and the water vapor starts to cool down. When it reaches a certain point, it couldn't hold on to its gaseous form anymore and condenses into tiny water droplets or ice crystals. Depending on the temperature, these form clouds that float in the sky. Have you ever looked up at the clouds and made shapes out of them? See an elephant, a bird, and even a rocket ship? What do you see? As the clouds get bigger and heavier, they begin to release the water in the form of precipitation. That's when the water cycle starts all over again. Sometimes the precipitation falls as rain, but other times it can fall as snow or hail. Can you name that? That's right, it's precipitation. Finally, the water flows back down to the lakes, rivers, and oceans. Some of it soaks into the ground to replenish our groundwater supply, which is like a giant underground river. Eventually, almost all of the water ends up back where it started, ready to be heated up by the sun once more. This amazing journey of water is called the water cycle, and it's powered by the sun. When we use water from the ocean or a lake, we want to make sure we're being good stewards of this precious resource. We can start by conserving water in our everyday lives. Even small actions like turning off the water while we brush our teeth or watering the lawn only when it's needed can make a big difference. We can also help by cleaning up our environment. By keeping our rivers and lakes free of trash and pollution, we ensure that the water stays clean and safe for everyone. And guess what? All this clean water is essential for our planet. It helps plants grow, animals thrive, and humans survive. So it's crucial that we take care of it. We can teach others about the water cycle and inspire them to become water heroes too. Now it's time for some fun. Can you draw the water cycle? Try it now. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the magical water cycle. Remember, every drop makes a difference. Let's work together to protect and conserve water for a happy and healthy planet. Hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. It's so much fun. Click on this video for more amazing science adventures. Keep exploring. You never know what you might discover.